Hello, in this video we'll be making a breakfast sandwich. First, start with the scrambled eggs. For this, use some butter, a pinch of salt, eggs, and some dry basil if you'd like. Next step is to fry the bacon. Spray some olive oil into the pan and fry your bacon. Keep stirring the scrambled egg occasionally until cooked. While the bacon is still on the heat, chop some tomatoes. Once the bacon is done, set it aside and cut some slices of bread. Butter the bread slices on both sides and fry them on the same pan as the bacon. Cut some avocado in the meantime. After the bread is slightly heated, drizzle some olive oil on it if you'd like. You can then put your cheese on top of the bread slices while still on the pan to melt it. Then you'll put the bacon on top, followed by the scrambled eggs and tomatoes. Remove it from the pan once the bread is crispy and fry the other slices of bread that will go on top. Or you can do it at the same time if you're making less sandwiches or have a bigger pan. Now you can add the avocado onto the sandwich and finish it up by putting the other slice on top once they're done. And there you go, a delicious, crispy breakfast sandwich you can enjoy.